A little bit of some rain in Victoria Falls. This is the first rains ever in 2024. This is the beginning of the season 2024-2025. The first rains in Victoria Falls. Driving in Victoria Falls National Park. I love rain. The smell of rain. I can smell it. Rain, rain, go away. TJ wants to play. Wow, this is the first rain in Victoria Falls. First rains after some very, very hot days. Today it was 40 degrees Celsius in the afternoon. 40 degrees Celsius, that was too hot. Hot and dry though. Wow. First rains. First rains. My wipers are not working perfectly. I have to get them fixed. Now sometimes you need something to push you to do things. Like this rains. Just pushing me to fix my wipers. Look at my windshield. Thank God it's not raining too heavily. I can still see in front. Okay guys, I thought of showing you the rains. Long awaited for. The trees are gonna bloom now. It's gonna be lush green in a few weeks to come. I know the new leaves are coming up. This is our summer. This is our summer. Wow. It's getting intense now. Getting intense. It's getting intense now. It's intensifying. Well,